Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm looking up the guys in the S&P 500 again. This is the SPY. We have very good news. We got an 8.5 CPI that is below 2 CPIs ago. In our recent CPI was at 9.1, previous CPI at 8.6. We got a below that CPI at 8.6 at 8.5 today. Get a very nice decrease in CPI. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. A large green candle breaking above that area of balance that we were looking to see if we can continue on past. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. What exact levels are we looking to see if we can continue on past from here to continue on with this gap up. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mention every single day throughout the week. And if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day throughout the week, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPYs, you guys can see again, we did get our momentum candle to the upside, breaking above our area of balance that we were looking to see if we can continue on past, that we did have a large pullback from recently. So we are looking to see if we can continue here. As you guys can see, we do have a solid green bar coming in here on our MACD, showing us that increase in buy pressure. We are looking to see if we can get that continuation on buy pressure, break above all of our previous buy pressure points that we had here on the year to have that rally that we're looking for. But again, a very nice decrease in CPI at 8.5. That is below 2 CPIs ago at 8.6. This is very good news. Again, as you guys can see, we did get our confirmation today with our EMA line. Again, we did mention if we got a slight pullback, we would be looking to see if we can break into newer highs here on our EMA lines, and that's exactly what happened, getting that confirmation on that breakout today. Again, our EMA lines are still pointing up, and our EMA lines are still above the median or MACD, showing us that confirmation on that strength to the upside. So we're looking to see if we can continue on with these solid green bars and continue on above, at the very least, our previous buy pressure point. But if we can, again, continue on past our previous buy pressure points that we had on the year, again, that would be a lot of strength to the upside. Now, looking at our relative strength, as you guys can see, again, we are now pointing up. Again, we did mention yesterday as we were leading into CPI that we did have lower lows here. Now we are spiking up here, looking to see if we can get confirmation on this continuation. In my opinion, again, that confirmation would be breaking into overbought territory. We are not in overbought territory yet. So again, jumping into overbought territory would give us more confirmation on room to run to the upside. Now, those key levels that we're going to be looking for here is going to be on our VPVR. Again, our VPVR is our volume profile. This is going to show us the most amount of volume that was traded within this time frame here on the daily chart. And as you guys can see, we were testing this area of balance. Again, this was a very strong point here on our VPVR, and we were testing it. So now our question is, can we continue on further? As you guys can see, our next strongest point here on our VPVR, which we did talk about previously here, is at 422. A lot of people think 420 is that strong point. 420 surely is a resistance that we were looking to see if we can continue on past, but breaking over 422 would give us that room to run to the upside to possibly test that 434 mark. So again, a nice continuation that we had today. At the end of the day, as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we are testing highs of day. In my opinion, if we continue on past 422, then we will continue on higher from there, and that's just based on an amazing CPI and anticipation on what's to come for September's Fed rate hike. Again, this is only anticipation on what's to come leading into September's Fed rate hike. And again, we do have one more CPI before September's Fed rate hike. Keep that in mind, because again, investors will definitely be looking for that continuation on a decrease in CPI leading into September's CPI. Again, that is before September's Fed rate hike. And to recap on our Bollinger Bands, again, representing compression and decompression, as you guys can see, again, we were breaking with the body of a candle into the upper end of our deviation, showing us that decompression to the upside. Again, showing us that push as we did have this compression, showing us the squeeze that we were looking for the upside. Again, our body of our candle has been breaking into our upper end of our second deviation. We are looking for that to continue, again, breaking back into the upper end of our second deviation, and again, breaking over 422 while breaking into the upper end of our second deviation would be a lot more confirmation here. And again, just making sure we are staying very patient, taking what the market gives us. Again, a very nice spike today, but keeping in mind, again, this is anticipation leading into September's Fed rate hike. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, major breakouts, for example, like we had with NVTA today, I don't know if you guys did see that today. We alerted NVTA really early in the day at about $2.50, jumping up to about $3.50, and then we did continue on higher, looking to see if we can break over our $5 psychological resistance, and broke up all the way up to $9.35 going into extended hours. Again, over 40% on that breakout at the end of the day and the beginning of the day. Again, over a 30% breakout about. Again, go to instables.com if you guys want to see these very volatile breakouts that we mentioned every single day. And again, all of you instables that come over every single day and support the channel, again, again, we will continue to stay patient, take what the market gives us. Again, a very nice breakout here with MVTA, a very good example of just taking what the market gives. Again, a very high risk mover, but very much did get that confirmation on volume, continuing with buy pressure here on the MACD, giving us multiple confirmations here. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.